Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Science for Dummies is probably one of the most essential guides for anyone looking to demystify complex scientific concepts without feeling overwhelmed, offering a refreshing and accessible entry point into various fields from physics to biology, making the often intimidating world of science approachable and even enjoyable for absolute beginners and curious minds alike, ensuring a solid foundational understanding that sparks further exploration. Number 5. Anatomy and Physiology for Dummies. Dive into the fascinating world of the human body. This guide makes complex topics simple and engaging for everyone. Struggling with anatomy and physiology? It breaks down intricate systems into digestible, easy-to-understand sections. Whether you're a student or just curious, it's your perfect companion. It provides clear explanations and helpful insights. Discover how your body works, from cells to systems. It covers everything you need to know in a straightforward manner. Make learning enjoyable and effective. It's designed to help you grasp fundamental concepts with confidence. What we like? This book simplifies the complex world of the human body. If you're a student or simply curious about how your body works, it offers clear explanations. It's perfect for anyone looking to understand anatomy and physiology without getting overwhelmed. What people say. Number 4. Chemistry for Dummies, 2nd edition. Are you struggling with the fundamentals of chemistry? This comprehensive guide makes complex concepts easy to grasp for everyone. It's designed to simplify your learning journey. Say goodbye to confusing textbooks and hello to clear, concise explanations. It breaks down difficult topics into manageable pieces, helping you build a strong foundation. Learn through real-world applications and practical examples. This edition provides numerous illustrations and step-by-step solutions to enhance your understanding. This is the updated 2nd edition, packed with the latest information and improved content. It ensures you have the most current and relevant knowledge at your fingertips. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, it caters to all learning styles. It's your ultimate companion for mastering chemistry. Part of the Trusted for Dummies series, it's a reliable resource for math and science subjects. It empowers you to confidently tackle any chemistry challenge. What we like? It demystifies the often intimidating subject of chemistry. If you're struggling with chemical concepts or need a solid foundation, this edition breaks it down. It's ideal for grasping essential principles and building confidence in the subject. What people say. Source JSON for reviews was empty. Unable to extract any helpful points. Number 3. Neuroscience for Dummies, 2nd edition. Ever wondered how your brain works? This book makes complex neuroscience concepts accessible and engaging for everyone. It's your ultimate guide to understanding the most intricate organ in your body. Dive into the fundamentals of brain anatomy, function, and common disorders. You'll explore everything from neurons to memory within its pages. It covers a vast range of topics in an easy-to-digest format. Whether you're a student or just fascinated by the mind, this edition is perfect for you. It simplifies challenging topics without sacrificing accuracy, making learning enjoyable. You'll gain a solid foundation in neuroscience. This 2nd edition brings you the latest advancements and research in the field. It includes updated information and new insights to keep you current. You'll find fresh perspectives on brain health and function. Gain a deeper appreciation for how your brain influences your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This knowledge can empower you to make better decisions and understand yourself more profoundly. It's an invaluable resource for personal growth. Forget dense textbooks and confusing jargon. This guide breaks down complex ideas into simple, understandable language. It uses clear explanations and examples to ensure you grasp every concept. What we like? Dive deep into the fascinating science of the brain. If you're intrigued by how we think, feel, and perceive the world, this provides an accessible guide. It's excellent for understanding the complexities of neuroscience without needing a medical degree. What people say. Number 2. Python for Data Science for Dummies. Are you ready to dive into the world of data science? This guide makes learning Python accessible and straightforward, even if you're new to programming. It covers all the fundamental Python skills you need. You'll learn how to manipulate data, perform analysis, and visualize your findings with ease. Specifically crafted for beginners, this resource breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. No prior experience in coding or data science is required to get started. You'll gain practical knowledge to tackle real-world data challenges. It empowers you to extract valuable insights and make informed decisions. With the Trusted for Dummies approach, learning is simplified and engaging. It's your perfect companion for building a strong foundation in data science. What we like. This guide introduces Python specifically for data science applications. If you're looking to kickstart a career in data or enhance your analytical toolkit, it offers practical coding examples. It's perfect for beginners wanting to leverage Python for real-world data challenges. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 1. Environmental Science for Dummies. Are you curious about the world around you? This book makes complex environmental topics simple and accessible for everyone. It covers essential areas like ecology, biodiversity, climate change, and pollution. You'll gain a solid foundation in these critical subjects. Designed for beginners, it breaks down difficult concepts into digestible parts. You'll find clear explanations and practical examples throughout its pages. This guide helps you grasp the major environmental issues facing our planet. It empowers you to understand their causes and potential solutions. Whether you're a student, a concerned citizen, or just curious, it's your go-to resource. It provides a comprehensive yet easy-to-follow introduction. By reading it, you'll develop a deeper appreciation for our environment. It equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. What we like. Explore critical topics concerning our planet and its well-being. If you care about environmental challenges and want to understand their scientific basis, this book is essential. It's ideal for anyone seeking to grasp ecological principles and promote a sustainable future. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.